Hi, my name's Denisha Bailey. I'm 28 years old and I have 3 kids. On January the 26th, I was diagnosed with acute lymphoblastic leukemia. I spent 8 months in and out the hospital and I did 17 days worth of radiation. Right now I'm currently undergoing maintenance therapy. The road to recovery for me right now isn't so easy because of transportation issues. I have to depend on family to get me to and from treatment. It's also impacting my kids because they want to do after school activities, and it's also an issue getting them to and from their doctor's appointments, as well as make it up to the school in case of any emergencies, which have already occurred, and I wasn't able to do anything about it because of the lack of transportation. By granting me this wish of getting a mid-sized SUV or minivan to accommodate my growing kids, as well as myself, of course, we will just be very grateful for it. It would mean so much to us, and we just thanks in advance for this opportunity. Thank you.